What is up, you guys? It is Brittany here, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Sorry guys, I know I look like a little like but yeah, so I bought a phone case based on the title of the video. I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max pink sand battery phone case. So I've been kind of skeptic about buying a phone case that has the battery pack within it. And so I was like, okay, Apple has one, Mophie has their battery cases, but I was like, let's give Apple a try. And I'm like, since I do have majority of my room pink and I have my my Apple Watch Series 5 in the gold with the pink sand sports band, I was like, let's go and try out Apple's pink sand battery case. So it is right in here. I want to go get it at the local FedEx near my house to go and get it because unfortunately there was a miscommunication yesterday with the delivering, so I went and got it. So if you guys want to see me take it out of the box and show you guys what it looks like on my phone, keep on watching. Okay, so it came in this box. I was actually surprised that it came in a box this big. So the tape was already off, so we're gonna just take off the tape here. They really put a lot of tape on here. I'm honestly the worst unboxing person ever. I'm so bad at, I'm terrible at unboxings, guys, especially when it has tape in it. I'm terrible. Okay, we're making progress here. Oh my god, you guys, look what it is. Oh, it's upside down. So that's what it looks like. Oh, okay, I guess this is how they normally do their phones, how it comes in like this with an iPhone. So that's what it looks like. So let me take it out. Wow, guys, they really like taped it down in here. Whoa, okay. So let me try and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, okay, it came out just like that. So we're gonna put the box aside and we're gonna take it out of this little baggie. So this is what the case looks like, and I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. So I got it in the pink sand, and this actually retailed for, I believe, $129, and I think they had the white, the black, and the pink sand, so I chose to do the pink sand instead. So we're gonna take off the little tabby here. And we'll move that to the side, and then how do you take this out? Guys, I'm really bad at doing these. Oh, okay. So you have to pull this little clear tab up. Oh my god, you guys, this is so cool. Why am I whispering? Guys, this is so cool. I'm sorry. I'm like literally shook, and it's so smooth and just so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's figure out how I'm gonna take this out. So we're gonna have to, oh, okay. Ooh, okay, so it's like kind of like a silicone kind of thing here. Okay, so we pulled it out. Oh, okay, that's why it was hard to pull out, because of the little charger adapter there. So I believe this is some kind of like instruction manual, and this is what it came in. So let's see what the instruction manual says here. Kind of like a booklet here. So it's a smart battery case, and it kind of gives you the instructions, battery disposal, battery charging, fast charging, wireless charging, how to attach the case, how to remove it. And then one thing that I did realize just right now is that it does have a button here to take pictures. So when you have the phone on your in the case, when you have the phone in the case, you have this little camera button to take pictures like that. So this is the little pamphlet it comes with, and then this is the compliance information, and then obviously you get the 1-year warranty. So kind of like every Apple product, you get this little little packet here. And then just slide it back in. Okay. So this is what it came in, and then it kind of like shows you the directions. So one thing I noticed when I was taking off the case is that this bends really good compared to the other ones in the past. I think it didn't really have that flexibility to bend. And one thing I also noticed is that it's really soft inside. And as you already know, the logo, the Apple logo, is in the middle. Compared to the last ones, it was a lot higher. Like the iPhone 10, it was a lot different. Okay guys, so I have my iPhone here, and I'm officially gonna try it on to show you how it looks with the new case on. So let me get a microfiber cloth. Sorry, I know you guys are like seeing the backside of me. I don't mean to be rude, but I have my little drawer here with all my tech stuff. So as you can see, this is my Apple Watch, and this is the phone case. So if you guys kind of got the idea, if you haven't got the idea already, you guys kind of already know that I wanted to have a matching case to go with my Apple Watch. Even though I didn't get the phone in gold, for me the phone in gold just wasn't really for me. So I decided to just get it in silver. And when I checked online, because I bought it online, when I was checking to get a new phone, I was kind of into the gold one, but then when I saw like you know how it looked in person, I was just like, no, it's not for me. I'm gonna stick with the silver. So I'm just cleaning up my phone, so when I put it in, it doesn't have any of the dirtiness going onto the new case. So just cleaning the screen as well, because when I take it off, I'm pretty sure it's gonna look pretty dirty. So this is a clear case I got on Christmas. So let's take off the case. So let me move this here so I can show you guys as I'm taking off the case. This is a really hard case, so just bear with me. Finally, I got it out. Yay, we finally got it out. Woo! Okay, so let me just clean up the sides a little bit, so none of the dirt goes into the new case. If you guys haven't noticed already, and I probably haven't said it publicly, but I have OCD when it comes to my phone. So if like there's any like dirty like smudges on my phone, or if there's like any dirt, I freak out. Especially when I like hand people my phone, I'm like, please don't dirty my phone, please. And then they do exactly what I told them not to, and I'm like I'm like inside, I'm like, honestly guys, like I'm so overprotective of my phone, especially since I love Apple products, and like all I've had is Apple. All I've had are iPhones, so I'm like, don't mess up my phone. And especially because like they're really expensive. Like these products are no joke. Like these are expensive as hell. Like money doesn't grow on trees, guys. Money doesn't grow on trees. Especially like if I'm the one buying it. Again, this was actually a gift, so it didn't come out of my pocket, but like I am very like protective of my phone, especially since it's like really expensive. I'm like, please don't kill my phone. So I'm just making sure the camera is squeaky clean, so when it comes to using that camera button, we can see the good results. So I guess it looks good. So we'll put the Apple Watch to the side, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the Apple Watch too. So it said to put it at a 40-degree angle. I'm like really skeptic about this, guys. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this does work. So I'm going to get it from the top here. And it's set in a 40-degree angle to slide in the phone. So 40 degrees. Okay, it's officially in, and all I'm gonna do is just slip it on, and there we go. Sorry guys, ignore the picture of me. Ignore the picture of me. So that's what it looks like, guys. Oh my god. And what I love about it is the bumper. That's what first thing I'm gonna call out about it right now. So when I put it on, it literally said, it literally showed me the battery case at 0%. So that's okay. That's fine with me. But I don't know if you guys can see it. It literally says 0%. For the case, so that's okay because my phone's at 53, so I'm not worried about it. So one thing I do want to show you guys is that when it goes, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, maybe when it's unlocked, maybe, or not. Okay, maybe it's not working because the phone case is not charged. So, but yeah, so I paid $130 plus the tax. It was $140, so that's what it came out to be. So this was a clear case, if you guys saw it earlier in the video, and this is what the new case looks like now. So yeah, guys, this is the phone case that I bought, so I'm really excited. And one thing also is that it has the speakers here, and the reason why I chose this case was because the other one had the bottom open here, and I don't like having the bottom open. As you guys can see, like, there's the phone case going all around at the bottom, and this one as well. And the silicone case that Apple has in this color of the pink sand for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, it doesn't have the bottom protected. It stops like right here, and so this is like completely out in the open. And I was just like, I don't really like to like touch the phone without a case, because of like the fingerprints and, you know, the dents and the scratches and the scrapes. So I was like, this was the best choice for me to go to. And since it does have the battery pack within it, it's a lot better for me. And since it's protected at the bottom, I was like, I believe it's worth my money. So here we go. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max Pink Sand Smart battery case from Apple. If you guys do want to get this yourself in the different colors that it has, the pink sand, the white, and I believe the black, if I'm not mistaken, I will leave the link to Apple's website for this case specifically down in the description box for you guys if you guys want to get it. But yeah, I absolutely love it. Let me put on my watch here so you guys can see the union of the pink sand. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had fun, I guess you could say. I had fun making this video, so please don't forget to leave a big like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and also leave a comment down below if you guys like this video, and I will also leave the link to my channel so you guys can see all the other videos that I have uploaded on my channel. And also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you get a notification every time I add a new upload to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.